Working on an embroidery project and have an 800 design file? This is an embroidery design file from Brother Sewing Machines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Brother embroidery files. If you frequently deal with unusual 8.2 show file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. 8.0.0 Files are embroidery design files used by Brother Embroidery and sewing machines, storing stitch patterns, thread colors, and machine instructions for embroidered designs. They enable transferring custom embroidery designs from computer to compatible Brother embroidery machines for production. 8.0.0 Files use Brother's proprietary embroidery format, storing stitch coordinates, stitch types, thread color references, and design metadata. The format follows Brother machine specifications for stitch density, pattern sizing, and color sequence instructions during embroidery operation. The tool most commonly used for creating 8.0.0 files is Brother PE designed by Brother. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows provides no detailed preview of embroidery files, so compatible tools must be used. Your first step towards data access, right-click the 8.0.0 file and select Open With. If Brother PE Design is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the 8.0.0 file won't open, don't panic. Because your 8.0.0 file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, loading on Brother machine. Transfer the 800 file to your Brother embroidery machine via USB cable, USB drive, or wireless connection following the machine's file transfer instructions. Once loaded, select the design through the machine's menu system and begin embroidering with appropriate threads and stabilizers. Next, editing in PE Design. Install Brother PE Design software, which natively supports 800 files for editing and creating Brother embroidery designs. Open the file and modify stitch patterns, colors, or sizes. Save the edited design back to 800 format for transfer to your embroidery machine. Finally, converting with Embird. Use Embird embroidery software, which supports many embroidery formats including Brother formats. Open the 800 file in Embird to view, edit, or convert to other formats like PIS, DST, or JEF for use with different embroidery machine brands. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.